Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope everybody is just, trying to stay busy just as long as we're safe. That's all that matters, guys. So, anyways, besides the obvious, I got some good news at least, guys. I know we're stuck in the house, but guess what? I got y'all some spoilers. Finally, Ipsy has put out spoilers for the May Standard bag. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi. I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was BoxyCharm Premium May confirmed spoilers. Thank you so much, Stash Stew. Stash Stew says, first, why yes you are, my love. You were really quick on the bell. And thank you so much for coming by to watch the video, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into the madness. Now again, this is for the May Standard bag, and as soon as they start revealing Plus and Ultimate, I'll have those linked right up under this video. So the first thing, let's go ahead and look at this bag. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I love the pastel colors. I love that it fades like that. I just love it. Like a two-tone bag. Cute little thing. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at these spoilers, y'all. So the first thing is the Nails Ink nail polish, and there's 3 different shades. There is Lilac Grove or Prime Rose Walk, or the last one, which is Camilla Drive. Now, next up is the Estate Cosmetics Do Me Baked Highlighter in the shade Bye. I like that shade name, y'all. And next is the Goldfaden MD Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. Wow, what a mouthful, y'all. That looks like an interesting product, though. All right, guys, so next up is the Yensa Skin on Skin BC Concealer. And there's going to be a few shades. There's going to be Fair Cool, Light Neutral, Medium Warm, Tan Neutral, or the last shade Deep Warm. And then the last spoiler, but certainly not least, is Farrah Brushes. This is the Large Blender 25 EL brush. So, of course, guys, as soon as they start revealing any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check him out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Thank you so much, Pink Shade 9. Pink Shade says, I like this palette. Can't wait to try Chocolate Gold. Well, honey, I don't know about the Chocolate Gold. I haven't tried that, but I do have the original Soleil bronzer. I also got a couple palettes by them. Their stuff smells just like chocolate. I absolutely love it. And I'm sure you're going to love it too, honey. I hope you get it. Because, again, I think that might be a variation, but I hope everybody that wants that does receive it. And I really appreciate you coming by and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people for no damn reason at all? But if you would check that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Or should I say bye?